Southwest Washington has taken bold steps to meet the demand of local skilled workers. Worksite learning introduces students to a career pathway while helping them gain the soft and technical skills to succeed in the workforce. The Southwest Washington STEM Network, in partnership with the school districts and local businesses, identifies 4 key components that set this apart from every other internship program available. Learning job readiness skills propel an intern to the next level. It's these skills that make the greatest impact on a student's confidence and understanding of what is expected of them. Employers are not only looking for new employees to have basic technical experience, but also the soft skills necessary to interact effectively with coworkers and supervisors. In this 21st century economy, teamwork, project management, and communication are the 3 main skills needed to successfully meet the challenges and opportunities within the workplace. During their experience, students gain actual technical experience that they can add to their resume and carry forward into future jobs. Examples of recent work-based projects include 3D mapping of equipment, designing a tiny home, and developing a new Dorito flavor and bag. An essential step to an effective internship is the matching of a mentor to a student who train, coach, and guide the student to success. What's needed today are internship models that are proven effective and prepare our young people for the workplace. Worksite learning internships does just that and can be easily replicated in any school, business, city, or state. With the high demand for a skilled workforce, this model is that solution.